An A. Put it up, please. Not on your desk. Up. From midpoint. When we're dealing with the midpoint, when you have these marks here, that means that they're congruent, which means they're the same size or the same shape. So down here in this one, just for example, if this one is 5, what is this one? It's also 5. The whole thing would be 10 for that segment. Let's go down to here. We're just going to hit these 6 and then that's it. Okay, first thing is identify the segment bisector. So I'm going to do that for all 6 before we start. For the first one, the segment bisector is point M. That's the thing that's in the middle. For this one, the segment bisector is ray MC. The segment bisector here is line M. I'm sorry, line L. All right, number 4, what's the segment bisector? What shape is it? Is it a line, ray, or a point? For number 4 here.
What?
Number 4. What is it called when there's only one arrow? It's a ray. So this one is ray MT. This one is line M. And then this one is point M. Does this make sense? This was the easy part. Well, actually, the first half is still easy. I'm not done yet. Okay, the next thing you're looking at here is if you have a segment bisector, look, you have this line here. So if that's 13, what's this one? This is also 13. So here, AB is 26. Jalen, pay attention. If this one is 8, what's this one?
8.
Also 8. This means AB is 16. Right? AB here, this is going to be 52. You just add them together. When you get to the back, the first 2 are like this. They're real simple. Where it gets a little bit more complicated is when you have variables. So same thing here. On number 4, what do you know about these 2 segments? They're the same. So you have 6x equals 2x plus 4. Can you get the door? So you subtract 2x, you have 4x equals 4, and then x equals 1 here. Minus 2x. So we're not done with this one yet. We found that x is 1, but you have to plug that back into here. So 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 1 plus 4 is 6. So EF is 12 here. Any questions here? Do you want to do 5 or 6? 5? 6? Okay, last example. I'm not going to do the other one just because it's not going to fit all on the screen at once. So, I don't know. 3x minus 4 equals 5x minus 12. That's going to be negative 4 equals 2x minus 12. And then that's going to be 8 equals 2x. So x equals 4 here. When you plug this in, last thing, watch this. Last thing, if your x is 4, you just plug your 4 into here. So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 4 is 8. If you trust your math here, if you want to be lazy, you trust your math. If that's 8, what's this one supposed to be?
8.
It's also supposed to be 8. So if you wanted to check it, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 12 is 8. It does work, but it's supposed to come out as 8. So for number 6, EF is equal to 16. This is how you do the back. Okay? So if you haven't gotten to the back yet, then switch to the back. I want you to at least hit those